Hello and welcome to Zapier. You're about to change the way you work and discover what's possible when you use automation to do more. I'm gonna walk you through creating a Zap, and not just any Zap, but one that's gonna automatically grab your new leads and send them right into your CRM. First off, what's a Zap? That's our word for an automated workflow that connects two or more apps together. Fun, right? Zap. So why should you automatically manage leads with a Zap? It's simple. You want to spend your time strategizing for the next campaign or understanding how those new ads performed. Exporting and uploading CSVs, reformatting your data in spreadsheets, all the repetitive tasks you do every day take time away from the important work. Zapier can do that for you. I'll show you how. First things first, make sure you have a Zapier account. It's free to start. And you can do that by clicking on Sign Up. Then to create a Zap, click on Create Zap. That'll pull up the Zap editor. We try to make this as straightforward as we can. Now this is where the automation magic happens. The first step is our trigger. This is what kicks off a Zap. Since we're managing leads, I'm gonna pick my leads app, Facebook Lead Ads. Now if you don't use Facebook Lead Ads, no problem. Zapier connects with thousands of apps, so we should have you covered. Once you select the app, pick the trigger event. This tells Zapier what to look out for. In this case, a new lead. Next, we'll connect our Facebook account. Once the account's connected, select the specific Facebook page we want the Zap to monitor and the form our leads are responding to. Now that this is all set, let's test the trigger. And there's a new lead. Let's keep going. We want our new leads to feel special. So we're gonna send them a personalized email, but I'm only gonna write it once. Just like when we added Facebook, we'll pick out our email app, Gmail. Now your app doesn't have to be Gmail, since we have thousands of apps that connect to Zapier. This feel familiar? Setting up this step is a lot like our first step. Pick the app, pick the action, connect your account, and then you can get specific. With Gmail, we need to add in our send from email address, a subject line, and write the welcome message. Then we pick the Facebook information to populate into the email. I need their email address to make sure this gets to them. And here in the email body, I'll add their first name from Facebook Lead Ads. That way it'll feel like a real person wrote and sent this. Now we can test this step. Zapier says it worked, so let's go check Gmail. And look at that, there's the email. Just like that, you've automated your lead management. Just remember to turn the Zap on. You're on the way to making copying and pasting and CSV uploads a thing of the past. But wait! You just saw that Facebook Lead Ads sends a lead's full name. It's kind of weird to address someone by their full name. So you want to split that name into the first and last name. Jump back into your Zap and click on this little plus sign between steps. We're gonna add a step here. Let's use one of Zapier's tools, the Formatter. Formatter can do nearly anything, but in this case, we want it to split text. So once the app is selected, we'll find our text options, choose the action like before, and pick out the field from Facebook we want Formatter to change. We've selected the name field. Now I just need to tell Formatter where to split the text. In this case, the default is fine, a space. Done. Let's test this and jump back into our Gmail step real quick. We need to replace this output. We don't want to use the Facebook field name anymore. We want to use the first names from Formatter. And voila. Formatter is grabbing the name from Facebook, splitting it, and sending that to Gmail. Now, it's your turn. Create your own Zap. Start small if you want or go big. Either way, once you're done, you'll get back to doing what matters.